afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past question. Question number 15. The ability to express one's thoughts and feelings clearly is dash skills. Thought means idea. How to express your ideas or feeling. Feeling has to do with emotion. Clearly, that is logically, is dash skill. A. Artistic. B. Communication. C. Intellectual. D. Life coping. E. Manipulative. It cannot be manipulative because manipulative is negative in nature. It's negative in nature. Then life coping. Life coping, it cannot be life coping because it has to do with both positive and negative endurance, that is enduring something. Then communication is the process. It is the process of talking. You see, now I deliberately use the word talking or expressing one's concepts or expressing one's belief, one thought, and so on. So artistic has to, it cannot be artistic because artistic has to do with arts and so on and so forth. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.